I invite you all to be ready now. You can be sure that you will watch a very nice video. Went through strong currents of flood to save 2 children foreign. His own safety for strangers, what a hero. Not many people will take the time out of their life to save others. What a fella. Lightning bolt struck this car and the entire town immediately come to their rescue foreign. We'll be a better place if we help each other like this. This Canadian randomly got out of his car just to brush off the snow from the rear windshield of the car in front of him. This man quickly saved a little kid whose brakes were broken. He was truly at the right place at the right time. Thank you. A construction worker fell and ended up hanging by a safety tether above the highway. Thankfully, this clever bus driver stopped so that guy could safely get on top of the bus. In an amazing feat of kindness and reflects, this stranger in Seattle ran to save a woman's car that slid down the road. Just when we begin to lose hope in humanity, we find this adorable kid who shows us what we're missing. Not only did he save the cat, but he also thanked the driver for stopping. Emily was on vacation when they spotted a dog stuck in icy waters and came to its rescue. Poppy, be careful. This morning, but this couple found a dead kangaroo at the side of the road. When they noticed the kangaroo had a baby, so they brought the baby home and raised it. Respect for these people foreign. Quick thinking saves her mother from falling. Thank you. This man used his shirt to save an animal, keeping it warm. What a lovely man. Imagine how tired the trash collector was, but he still took his time to play with these triplets. Some people just make the world a better place. This big truck was making a turn when it came across a smaller truck. The small truck immediately backed up to make it easier for the big truck to turn. Remember, it causes nothing to be gorgeous to others. Thank you. This sports car owner stopped to fix a clogged drainage. He might be rich in money, but he still has a rich heart. Showed us a great example. He stopped to save this little kitten. Thank you, sir. This group of children was playing together, and one of them was disabled and couldn't walk. So when they played to somewhere else, one of them came back and then carried the disabled child so he could still play together. Thank you.